Like you know. You know I can't.
Getting spicy, Jamie?
I'm gonna have a nice drink for you.
Scott with his pop. Joe with his crisps. What the fuck?
No whistle, then.
Sure.
And Jamie's just stopping him, Joe's whistling, and Scott's drinking.
Jamie needs to be working up a sweat.
Sonny, Jamie can have a drink. Ow!
It doesn't hurt one bit. Does my pump still exist?
No.
Oh, Jamie!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Joe, let's drink.
Oh no,
You got nothing on me.
Are you tempted? Jamie's going for another. Is he actually going to put it in his mouth this time?
oh my god, it's a bed! Oh!
I'm sweating more than I was on the trampoline.
Anybody going to give up yet?
I'm going to go like this.
I'm going to win now.
Oh, there's me more.
Are we not cheating, guys? Keep eating.
No!
You got nothing on me.
Oh no!
Hey, Joe's going to drink. Joe, move the other window.
Oh, are you?
You want us to move out the window?
Are you actually going to do it? Oh my god.
I would.
But I don't know what this is. I mean, it's all. But once I'm in a panic,
Full food!
Oh my god.
Full food!